Do you have an old smartphone lying in a drawer doing absolutely nothing? Most of us do. But what if I tell you that old phone can be turned into a proper security camera in just a few minutes without buying any CCTV or expensive equipment? In this video, I'll show you how to convert your old phone into a security camera using a free app called Alfred Camera. You can use this setup for home security, to monitor your pets, as a baby monitor, or even to keep an eye on a room or shop when you're not around. The best part is, you only need two phones to do this. One is your old phone, which will act as the camera, and the second is your current phone, which you'll use to watch the live feed. Both phones just need an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. To get started, install the Alfred Camera app on both devices from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app on both phones. On your old phone, select Camera Mode. This tells the app that this device will act as a security camera. On your main phone, choose Viewer Mode, which allows you to watch everything remotely. As soon as you do that, Alfred automatically connects the two devices, and your old phone immediately starts working as a security camera. At this point, place your old phone wherever you want surveillance, near your main door, in your room, facing a balcony, or anywhere you want to keep an eye on. Once everything is set up, you actually get a surprising number of features for a simple old phone setup. You can watch live video in real time from anywhere, whether you're in the room or completely outside your room. The video feed loads quickly and stays stable as long as the phone has an internet connection. Alfred also comes with motion detection alerts, so whenever the camera detects movements, you instantly get a notification on your main phone. This is especially useful if you want to know when someone enters a room, a pet moves around, or there's any unexpected activity. Another very useful feature is two-way radio. This means you can not only hear what's happening near the camera, but you can also talk through the old phone.
Hey, who's that?
You can calm your pet, call out to someone at home, or even warn someone if needed.
Hey, who's that?
In low light or nighttime conditions, Alfred offers a night vision style filter that helps improve visibility in darker areas. While it's not true infrared night vision, it still makes the video much clearer when the lights are off. Additionally, it allows you to turn on the phone's flashlight and activate the siren remotely to warn an intruder. On top of that, Alfred automatically records short motion clips to the cloud, so even if you miss a live alert, you can go back and review what happened. The free versions does have some limitations on video quality and storage, but it's more than enough for basic home security needs. The setup is extremely useful if you want a simple security solution without spending money. It works great for home security, keeping an eye on pets, monitoring babies, or checking in on your place while traveling. Just one important reminder before we wrap up. Always use monitoring apps legally and ethically. Make sure people are aware if they are being monitored, especially in indoor spaces. So that's how you can turn any old smartphone into a security camera in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech and security tips, and let me know in the comments what other apps or features you'd like me to cover next.